Daily vlog, take 2. I gotta stop trying to make this like perfect. It's so crazy. I thought that doing a daily vlog would be a lot easier than doing my regular videos that I do for YouTube, but doing a daily vlog is a lot of pressure that I'm putting on myself. Welcome everybody to my very first daily vlog, and I'm doing it on President's Day, so happy President's Day. If you're home from work and you're chilling out watching this right now, I'm glad you got to enjoy the day off. I'm working here in my YouTube studio trying to build an audience here. Why am I doing a daily vlog, and why do we celebrate President's Day? Which one do you want to hear first? I'm going to share with you why we celebrate President's Day here in the US, but first I'm going to share with you why you're watching my very first daily vlog and why I'm doing a daily vlog. The reason for my daily vlog is to build an audience, to grow a community, and to have people like yourself subscribe to my channel. So if you didn't do so yet, subscribe to my channel, and if you like my daily vlog, when it's all done of course, hit the like button, help me out with the algorithm here on YouTube. Alright, so that's why I'm doing a daily vlog. It's to grow a YouTube audience so that you get to know me and familiarize yourself with who I am, what I'm about, what the vlog's gonna be about, and if you like my content, you'll want more. Trust me, you're gonna want more. It's only gonna get better. If you go back to my YouTube channel and you go back to my very first video, it sucked. And as I got better at creating videos, my content got better, my videos got better. The same is gonna happen with my YouTube vlog here that I'm gonna do. As I grow as a vlogger, I'm gonna get better. Subscribe to my channel so that you can watch this growth. It's gonna be really, really awesome. I have a lot of really cool ideas that I'm planning for my video vlog here. I'm gonna be going to home openings, showing you really cool houses here in the Hudson Valley, New York, by the way. If you're watching this anywhere else, we're in New York. The Hudson Valley is just 80 miles north of New York City. I'm gonna be test driving really cool cars. It might be a Honda Accord one day. It might be a Mercedes awesome E-Class of some sort. It might be a Lamborghini. I don't know yet, but I'm gonna be doing these kinds of really cool adventurous things. And then something else I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end all of my videos with a really cool ending so that it kind of catches you off guard. Yeah, you know what the video is gonna be about in the beginning. Like, we're gonna talk about President's Day, I promise. Stay tuned, stay in here with me. We're gonna talk about President's Day, I promise, I promise. But I'm always gonna end my video with some kind of surprise for you. Watch this whole video to the end and you go, what's gonna happen? It could be me dancing in the living room with my daughters, me going somewhere really cool or exotic, or I haven't done this yet, and I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but it's been on my bucket list. Skydiving? You might see that. You might be the first to see me go skydiving at the end of one of my videos. I don't know yet. I'm just letting you know. If you think I should do that, throw it in the comments for me. Let me know. Hit the like button and let me know that you think I should go skydiving in one of these. Now trust me, I am not gonna go skydiving for 45 subscribers, which is what I currently have. We gotta get me to the 1,000 mark. And it looks like right now, live, I'm not editing this out by the way, I just thought about it. You get me to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna seriously consider skydiving. Seriously consider. So you're gonna have to push me over the edge here, but I'll seriously consider it. So that's a little bit about myself, why I'm doing the vlog. You didn't get to know me yet. Here's who I am. My parents founded a non-for-profit back in 1993 called Forgotten Children of Haiti. My sister and I were just little kids, but we did everything to help that non-for-profit grow. Today, because my parents have pretty much aged out of it and most of our family members have as well, I pretty much spearhead most of the fundraising and things that happen. My siblings, my sister and brother and brother-in-law have all done missions in the name of Forgotten Children of Haiti, going to Haiti and doing medical missions and taking care of the people there, and have supported all of my fundraising efforts as well as family members supporting all of those efforts. I'm not a founder to it, but I definitely work very hard on supporting Forgotten Children of Haiti. And if you want to learn more, go to my website, michaelespositoinc.com/FCH, and you can learn more about Forgotten Children of Haiti. I also do a lot in our community. I'm on the Chamber of Commerce's executive board, and I do a lot of fundraising there. And if you don't know yet, you need to know, especially if you're in New Paltz or visiting New Paltz, New York. If you visit New Paltz, New York, you gotta get yourself one of these really cool passports. You can find your very own Michael Esposito. Here I am. the Michael Esposito Inc. Public Speaking Workshop. And here's the philanthropy a little bit. So a little bit of the entrepreneur, you're gonna see. So I have my public speaking business. I offer workshops, one-to-one coaching to help people with public speaking. To be able to do videos like this, by the way, this is public speaking. This is my third take in doing this, by the way. And I teach public speaking. This is nerve-wracking. I could only imagine if you don't practice, if you don't have the right coaching, how nerve-wracking it could be to get in front of a camera and do a video like this. But I offer that, and that's part of my entrepreneur portion of this video. The philanthropy portion is, you could see in here, 50% off. Half of the proceeds go to FCH, Forgotten Children of Haiti. Half of the other proceeds go to your non-for-profit. But you have to buy the New Paltz Passport book. This is it. It's got a bunch of other savings in there, some really cool locations. If you don't know New Paltz, New York, look us up. Go to HV Drones. Follow at HV Drones on Instagram. He posts some amazing videos. Keith has been on my podcast, my video podcast show that I did. He does some really cool drone shots of the New Paltz area. There's also some other cool places, restaurants in here. You get like 50% off and all sorts of different coupons. It's a great, great coupon book. You get the whole book stamped. You enter a prize for the great giveaway, and you could stay at the Mohonk Mountain House in New Paltz, New York. Beautiful, beautiful location. You can stay there with your family and friends overnight for free if you win the giveaway, but you do have to buy your passport. This turned into a passport ad. I didn't know that this was gonna happen. I'll show you how I do this vlog, and you're gonna know that I did not have the passport planned in this vlog, but it's pretty cool that it happened. So I'm gonna turn the camera around so you can see what I'm talking about. What you're seeing over there is my screen of my bullet points. Let's get back to it. Are we gonna talk about President's Day 2021? Why are you watching this? Are you watching it to learn about me? Watching it to learn about President's Day 2021? Tell me in the comments. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, it's gonna be awesome. The energy that I'm bringing right now, I'm gonna bring every day to you. It's exhausting, but I gotta do it because I'm trying to grow an audience like you and let you know who I am. I told you about my philanthropy, Forgotten Children of Haiti, the non-for-profits that I work with. We're also doing a food drive. Michael Esposito Inc. is doing a food drive at One Epic Place in New Paltz on February 20th. Go there, bring some food. We're also gonna be shooting my YouTube video. So I do these vlogs, but then I do a full-on YouTube video where it's a nice package for you. We're gonna be showing all the people dropping off their donations. You're gonna meet some of the chamber members. Maybe some of my family will show up. You'll meet a bunch of different people. It's gonna be a really, really cool day. That's February 20th, but you can start dropping off food today at One Epic Place in New Paltz, New York. Address and everything will be in the links in the description of this video. On top of all of that, what else do I do? I'm also an insurance broker. I'm an insurance broker for one of the largest insurance brokerages in the United States of America, which we're celebrating President's Day here in the US. I'm gonna get into President's Day in a second. You didn't watch this video to learn about President's Day? Wait, you did. So I don't wanna make that clickbait. So I'm gonna let you know about President's Day, but it's really not that exciting. Come on. It's about the presidents and their birthdays and celebrating them. We're gonna get into that in a second. Let me tell you about USI Insurance Services. That's who I work for. I'm an insurance broker there, and I work with really big businesses. If you're one of those big businesses, you're probably just like, well, it's just every day for me. But I came from small businesses, and all my small businesses out there, big shout out to all of you, all the mom and pops lining the main streets in America. Big shout out to you. You're going through a tough time right now with COVID. The middle market businesses, they're also suffering from all of this. There's a lot going on there, but those are who I work with, middle market clients, 100 employee plus type of businesses. That's who I work with in terms of the insurance. That's the insurance side. And then you got the YouTuber side where I'm trying to grow this audience to let you know what I do. So here's what I'm gonna be doing in these videos. I'm gonna be sharing professional tips. I'm gonna be sharing tips about insurance, about public speaking, about business, about life. I'm also a father of 2 beautiful little daughters. My wife, Devin. I'm a husband and a father. I was a husband first and then became a father. I'll be sharing family tips. I'll be sharing business tips. I'll be sharing public speaking tips. It's all gonna be around a professional look and feel to work with business professionals, people who wanna level up in their life and in their careers, people who wanna become the best at their job, no matter what their job is. Those kind of people, you should subscribe to my channel. If that's you, if you wanna level up in your job and your career, if you're working at the gas station or at the checkout counter at the supermarket and you wanna level up in your career, you should subscribe to this channel. If you're the CEO of a multi-million-dollar business, you should subscribe to this channel. I have a lot to offer because I'm gonna be talking about public speaking to be able to help strengthen your relationship with your customers, with your employees, with your executive team, with your non-for-profit board. We're gonna be talking about those public speaking tips. We're gonna be talking about insurance tips for the person just driving the Honda Accord or the person who's running a multi-million-dollar business. I'm gonna provide insurance tips for all sorts of different types of people. You'll be learning a lot on this channel. There's gonna be a lot of growth, a lot of learning, self-development you could talk about, professional self-development, all sorts of different ways you can think about this channel. President's Day 2021. Why did you sign up to watch this video right now? Did you watch it to learn about Michael Esposito? Yes, you did. Throw it a like in the, well, don't throw a like in the comments. Well, you can. You could say like in the comments, but hit the like button. It's a lot easier. And maybe you write like in the comments or tell me what you liked about this video. President's Day 2021. Here's what we got going on. Here's why President's Day was formed. It was formed because George Washington, our very first president, was born on February 22nd. So originally it was to celebrate his birthday. In the 1970s, it got turned into, well, I think it was before the 1970s that it got turned into President's Day, where they decided to celebrate all the presidents. But in 1971, an act was passed to make it on Monday in order to give families a 3-day weekend. I thought that was pretty cool, that they wanted to give a 3-day weekend to employees. They thought that it would help reduce the amount of absentees happen, and that started a slew of other Monday holidays in order to get, 3-day holiday weekends. A little fun fact about President's Day. There are 4 presidents whose birthday fall in February, and yet in the history of President's Day falling on that Monday when they moved it from George Washington's Day, it has never ever fallen on one of their birthdays. That's your fun fact. That's your fun fact. So that's President's Day. If you need to know too, most banks are closed, their ATMs are opened. Post offices are closed except a few locations. So look them up if you really need to go to the post office today. If it can't wait till tomorrow, God forbid you wait a day. But also FedEx and UPS are working today. Schools are closed. Do not drop your kids off at school. My daycare is open, so we dropped the girls off today. And colleges, they follow their own calendar. More than likely classes are canceled, but they might hold classes today because, they're up to them. That's their decision. And that's all I got for you today on President's Day. I mean, that was it, right? I mean, you really came here to learn about me. Tell me, let me know in the comments. Did you come here to learn about me or did you come here to learn about President's Day? Tell me in the comments. Tell me what you think of my very first vlog. I'm gonna be putting these out on a regular basis, so I hope you like it. If you're thinking of doing a vlog, if you're thinking about doing anything, just get started. I was hesitant on starting this vlog. I was like, what am I gonna talk about? Am I even gonna be able to do more than 2 minutes? And all this other stuff, and here we are, 15 minutes in, and I got my first vlog out. I gotta go find something really, really exciting to end this vlog with. Stay happy and stay healthy, and I'll see you all soon.
It's a little ball. It's a ball. Play with it. Oh, stop! Wow, that was amazing to slip in. You know what I just did? I slept on the ground, babe. Cool, Mama. What's that one? Tomorrow.
Bye.